Good evening, UK. This is your host Lalit, and we are back today with our program from the Union Territory of Jammu and Kashmir. As you know, today we have Khana Khazana, speciality where we will talk about Dogri cuisine from Jammu and Kashmiri cuisine from Kashmir. I have with me my colleague Shefalika.
Hello, Lalit, and good evening, everybody. As Lalit said, today is a very special day as we will be talking about various foods from that part of the country. So, should we start, Lalit, in this cold weather? It will feel really good to talk about food,
Yeah.
especially unique food.
Yes, and what will happen is, we are warning you already. You will feel hungry, so you better keep some snacks or some stuff with you as we talk about food. So, let me start with Dogri cuisine. Dogri cuisine is known as a royal cuisine because it's influenced by the food of the Rajas and Maharajas of the Dogra dynasty. And there are various world famous foods like Rajma, Ambal, Chawal, Oriya. The first song which I'm playing is called Chutney Timrudi. Timru is like Szechuan peppers from Jammu region, and what we do is we crush them and make a chutney. That chutney is very very spicy, and this whole song talks about the spiciness and how that chutney has been tasted by the mother-in-law, sister-in-law, the husband, and their feedbacks. So let's listen to the song "मैं कुट्टी तेज तरार चटनी टिमरूदी."
कि मैं भी अपना स्वाद बताऊं। हो हो अस कुट्टी तेज तरार चटनी तिमरूदी 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 हो नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया मरचा पाइया चार चटनी तिमरूदी अस कुट्टी तेज तरार चटनी तिमरूदी अस कुट्टी तेज तरार चटनी तिमरूदी हो ससु ते ननानू जेलै चटनी ये चखी एक कर लाई दुई उठी कर नसी ससु ते ननानू जेलै चटनी ये चखी एक कर लाई दुई उठी कर नसी सच सोई कुट फिरी नवार चटनी तिमरूदी सच सोई कुट फिरी नवार चटनी तिमरूदी हो नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया मरचा पाइया चार चटनी तिमरूदी अस हो अस सोई झुंड खलवाज नीवी जेठ सेंगी तो कै जेल लगी मर्च तिरखनी उसी कौन रोकै झुंड खलवाज नीवी जेठ सेंगी तो कै जेल लगी मर्च तिरखनी उसी कौन रोकै सच पेई जठानी की मार चटनी तिमरूदी सच पेई जठानी की मार चटनी तिमरूदी हो नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया मरचा पाइया चार चटनी तिमरूदी अस कुट्टी तेज तरार चटनी तिमरूदी चटनी खलाई पहले ओदे विच असें मिश्री मलाई सच कहंदे गी लगी ऐ स्वाद चटनी तिमरू दी सच कहंदे गी लगी ऐ स्वाद चटनी तिमरू दी सच कहंदे गी लगी ऐ स्वाद चटनी तिमरू दी ओ नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया नारदाना कन्न धनिया पाया मर्चा पाइयां चार चटनी तिमरू दी ओ अस टूटी तेज तरार चटनी तिमरू दी
That was a very nice song about chutney, all the spicy chutney, and how it's affecting the family. So there is one unique thing about Kashmir which I wanted to talk about is that most of our food, I think all the indigenous cuisine of Kashmir is cooked without onions, tomatoes, and definitely no garlic. So I was thinking, what is the reason for that? I mean, over our generations, people say that this food is considered what we call in Hindi is tamasic food, and that's why it was avoided in the food. But that then you sometimes wonder because, as most people know, Kashmiri Brahmins are non-vegetarians, so we do eat lamb. So I was thinking this food is tamasic, but what about the non-veg food you eat? So that's a bit of a dilemma. But anyway, so coming back to the food, so no onions, no garlics, no tomatoes. I can only think of one dish which we cook with tomatoes, and that's a bangan, a tomato bangan, which is a very famous dish, which in which we use tomatoes. Apart from that, rest is without these three key ingredients, which are used in all cuisines in most of northern India. So that's slightly unique. So with that, let's listen to a very popular Kashmiri song. It's a very old song. It's from the 1960s, sung by Begum Akhtar ji and Raj Begum ji. Both have passed away now. They always mostly used to sing duets, and they have a unique voice, which was appreciated by all. It's slightly difficult for people of the current generation to appreciate this kind of voice. Let's see what you think of this duet.
What a lovely and unique style of singing. Old numbers would always be remembered with love and fondness. Moving back to Jammu region, let me tell you something which most of you already know. The world famous Rajma, kidney beans, come from Jammu region, and the best and best of Rajma comes from Bhadarwa, which is in Jammu region. The Bhadarwahi Rajma are smaller in size, they are more red in color, and they are sweet in taste. And Jammu walas cannot eat any Rajma other than the Rajma from Jammu. Also, the rice, world famous rice, come from Araspura in Jammu, and it's the most famous basmati. It's the belt. The belt is called the basmati belt. So rajma is the main cuisine of Jammu region, and with it we also do a unique thing which is called nardana chutney, which is anardana. In Jammu language, our language, we try and skip the first letter of the word, so we call it nardana, which is pomegranate chutney, and which we eat with rajma and rice. And in every household of Jammu, it is a tradition on every Sunday to have rajma rice for lunch. So my next song, again in keeping with the theme of what Kashmiri song was in of the old 60s and 70s, I have the next song also from 60s 70s, sung by none other than Malika Pukhraj ji with her daughter Tahira Sayed. Now Malika Pukhraj ji was the royal singer in the court of Maharaja Hari Singh ji. When she sang first time on his coronation, she was selected to be the official singer for the court, and later after her marriage and partition she moved to Pakistan and became a very famous singer there as well. One of her song which is always remembered by everybody is Abhi to main jawan hu. So you must have heard that song, and that is by Malika Pukhraj. Here she is singing a Dogri song which is her native language. Allah belua ho sade kanne rusi rusi bonda baliya.
ਬੰਸਰੀ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੋ ਬੰਸਰੀ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਪਰ ਜੰਦਾ ਕਨ ਬੰਸਰੀ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਹੋ ਬੰਸਰੀ ਬੰਸਰੀ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਪਰ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਤਨ ਬੰਸਰੀ ਵਜਾਉਂਦਾ ਲੋਕੇ ਦੇ ਦਿਲ ਵਰਮਾਉਂਦਾ ਬਲਿਆ ਅੱਲਾ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਅੱਲਾ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਅੱਲਾ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਅੱਲਾ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ ਅੱਲਾ ਬੇਲੂਆ ਹੋ बजरे दी रोटी कने बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है बाजरे दी रोटी कने बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है बड़ी बड़ी मोटी है खाने गिनी देंदा कने लाउने गिनी देंदा हो लाउने गिनी देंदा खाने गिनी देंदा कने लाउने गिनी देंदा हो लाउने गिनी देंदा खाने गिनी देंदा कने लाउने गिनी देंदा तरकाले की कहंदा सुन मेरी बलिया अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो बेलुआ हो बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो साढ़े कने रुसी रुसी बांदा बलिया अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो अल्लाह बेलुआ हो
So the golden voice of Malika Pukhraj and her daughter, what lovely memories. So carrying on, Lalit, from the earlier discussion about food. So like I said, onions and tomatoes are not used as a base. So then the question is, what do we use as the base for the gravy? So what we do is that we use some special masalas. Some of them are unique to the region. Kashmiri mirch is very famous all over the world. The unique thing about Kashmiri mirch is that one, the color is bright red, and the second thing is it's not that spicy. So as compared to chilies from other parts of the country and the world, which Kashmiri mirch, if you add even half a teaspoon or 1 teaspoon to the food, the color is very red. So you think, oh, this food must be spicy. But then you actually taste it, it's not that spicy. So that's the unique bit. The other spices which are unique to the area, one is something called saunf, which is crushed fennel in the powdered form. I don't think it's used in any other region. I might be wrong. And the third ingredient, a third special masala is ginger powder, which I have seen it used in other cuisines like in Spain, but we use it in almost every dish. So these three key masalas, they form the base gravy, and then on top of that you can add things like yogurt. Is very commonly used. So we don't use coconut much. So it's basically the three base gravies and yogurt or milk, because you have to thicken the gravy somehow if you're not going to use onions and tomatoes. So interesting fact. So we move on to the next song. The next song has been sung by Asha Bhosle ji. As I have said before, Asha ji sang quite a few Kashmiri songs, and the good thing about Asha ji is if you listen to her songs, you can't make out that she's a non-Kashmiri. So let's listen to another popular Kashmiri song sung by Asha Bhosle, which is played in mostly in weddings and special occasions. Lalas Vantesh Sawal.
लालच बनते तू सवार सालस अंत में
Wow, what a lovely song. Personally, Asha Bhosle ji is my favorite, and I can listen to her anytime in any language and all the time. Such a versatile singer. Now, moving back to Dogri cuisine, let me talk about something which is very unique to Jammu region and one of my favorite dishes. It's called ambal. Ambal is one of the food which is made in every special occasion like weddings, pujas, tam, or when somebody tam is actually a feast which is prepared on special occasions. And ambal is actually made of pumpkin. It is khata meetha pumpkin in Dogri style. What is done is the pumpkin is used with tamarind paste, jaggery, so it is sweet and sour both, and it is also served with boiled rice, and it is also eaten with khamire. Khamire is another traditional bread of Jammu region, which is a little bit similar to bhaturas, but it is much more tastier and much more thicker. Like bhaturas are light and fluffy, khamiras are fluffy, but they are not light. They are thicker and they have a beautiful taste to it of the khamir. That's why they are called khamiras, because the khamir, the yeast, gives that tanginess to the bread. So my favorite Ambal, and the next song is also a very popular and very peppy song which I like. It's called Chan Chan Panjeb Meri Chan Ke Nachne Gi Ji Karta Ai Mil Ja Dil Janiya दिल तुगी याद करता. शी सिंग माई मेरी पजेब मेरी पायल छन छन करके बज रही है और मेरा नाचने को जी कर रहा है. तुम आके मेरे से मिल जाओ, मेरा दिल तुम्हें याद करता है.
छन छन पंजेब मेरी छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुगी याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरी छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुगी याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के ओ आ छन 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 आरती श्रृंगार तेरे लिए सजना तेरे लिए मेरा प्यार सजना आरती श्रृंगार तेरे लिए सजना तेरे लिए मेरा प्यार सजना माथे पर बिंदलो चमके तेरा इंतजार करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुगी याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के नचने की मन करदा आई मिल जा दिल जानिया दिल तुगी याद करदा छन छन पंजेब मेरे छन के ओ आ ना तेरा
What a nice and peppy song. It almost makes me want to dance. Carrying on with the cuisine discussion, let's talk about a few special vegetables used in Kashmir, which may or may not be used in other parts of the world. So one of the most famous one is something called nadru. It's lotus root. So that's what it is, because lotus is grown quite a bit, especially in the Dal Lake and the Nagin Lake. So this is the root, and it's cooked in variety of ways. It can be cooked basically, in whatever way you want. But the most famous one is called yakni. Yakni is it's cooked on a base of yogurt-based gravy with all the masalas to make it thick. It's a delicacy, and a lot of people like it. I cook it here, and everybody seems to like it. The other, of course, the most famous international Kashmiri dish is the malu. So, so aloo, we have kind of made it into a special dish, the humble aloo, which is normally used in matar aloo and things. But we have taken it to another level by it's such an elaborate process to make the malu. So, I think, okay, the humble aloo has had an uplift now. So, starting with boiling it, then deep frying it, and then putting it on the masala and cooking it in slow, very slowly on medium heat. Then at the end, you add a bit of yogurt to get the color, and of course, tons of Kashmiri chili. So that's the famous one. But there is one special vegetable which is only found in the Himalayan belt. It's a special type of mushroom. I will talk about that after the next song, because there is a bit of interesting detail to it. So let's listen to the next Kashmiri song. It's sung by Runa Lalaji. Now, Runa Lalaji, of course, is very famous for her Damadam Mast Kalandar song, but she sung this Kashmiri song as well. Katyu Chuk Nundubani. It's a Majur song sung by various singers, but she has sung it in her own special way.
Lovely, lovely song by Runa Lelaji. I always remember her coming in Doordarshan when we were we were young, and she used to sing on radio, on TV and radio. And her song, one of her famous song was "Mera balma chhel chabila, main to nachungi." I still remember the way she used to sing and rejoice on that song. Moving back to the Dogri cuisine, the next dish is a delicacy of Dogra region called Oria. Now, since from dum aloo to Oria is also an aloo dish, and Oria is made because the preparation is done a day before because sarson, which is rai, sorry, mustard seed, राई का धुआं दिया जाता है आलूओं को जिससे वो बहुत ही टैंगी हो जाते हैं और ये भी योगर्ट इन कर्ड the gravy is made in curd and it is very what how would you say, it is very sour and very tangy, and when you're eating it you can feel your nostrils, your throat, everything opening up. It is really really yummy and one of my favorite dishes of Jammu region, Oria. And the next song we I'm playing for you is Uchiya Lamia Daliyan Hoy. It's about a song where they are on the swings on the trees and they're singing about Bichu Gujri Di Ping O Mahiya, how they go fly up and down on the jhulas. So Uchiya Lamia Daliyan.
ऊंचियां लंबियां डालियां है ऊंचियां लंबियां डालियां है बिच गुजरी दी पींग वे
Okay, so another very nice song. Thank you, Lalit. So, like I said earlier, there is a special vegetable which is grown in the Himalayan belt. It's not specific to Kashmir, but any it like in Uttarakhand you can find it, and in West you can find it in Switzerland as well. So it's something called guchi. It's from the morel family of mushrooms, and the important thing is it's very expensive. It's for 1 kg. I think it's for more than 30,000 rupees, which is very expensive. But it is a very unique tasting vegetable and mostly used in pulao, and again with as yakhni in yogurt. I mean, to be honest, I myself only had it 4 or 5 times. It's that expensive. Unless you're going to a special wedding or something, then only people will cook it for you. So the reason it's expensive is because it's only found between March to May, and requires a lot of hard work and labor. You have to go in the forest and search for it. It's very difficult to find. But when you do find it, it's like finding a gold mine. It exported a lot. You can find it here. Selfridges, I've heard. You can get it. So you can taste it next time you go to Selfridges. Do buy it. So the next song is another famous singer, Kailash Mehra Sadhuji. I have played a few of her songs. She is my personal favorite singer. This one is a slow, nice, soothing song. It's a romantic song. So let's listen to the song and then carry on with the discussion on food.
होश दीदार दितम मार मंदे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्यायंदे मार मंदे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्यायंदे काम दिवो जाना वारो मन छम पाम दीवान काम दिवो जाना वारो तन वो तुम दीवान मार मंगे मदन वारो तन वो तुम दीवान मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्यायंदे मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्यायंदे मार मंगे मदन वारो कसम्यो न्यायंदे कसम्यो
Wow, talking about food, how the time flies, we did not even realize. We are almost coming to the end of the session. But let me tell you about two very special food items of Jammu region. There are loads to talk about, but let me at least cover these two. One is Kyur. Kyur is the welcome dish of Jammu region. It is made with maida and they are deep fried, and it is very difficult to make. They have to be thin and crispy. And also special part of Kyur is that it is fed to the bridegroom by the sisters of the bride on the night of the wedding during the Feras time, and it is usually eaten with sugar and yogurt. And the other speciality of Jammu region is kaladi. Kaladi is actually you can say like a mozzarella cheese of Jammu region. It is only made there, and it is stuffed in kulchas. There are kaladi kulchas, and they are yum. And most famous kaladi comes from Ramnagar, Udhampur region. So these are the two famous food items of Jammu region, unique to Jammu. Now my next song, which is Aa Sajna Tugi Jammu e Di Gal Lisana. It is about how is Jammu, what is Jammu, who all lives in Jammu. It's a beautiful song.
सजना तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना सजना तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना हिंदू रौंदे मुस्लिम भी रौंदे सिख न रौंदे ईसाई भी रौंदे रौंदे बनिए परा तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना सारे रौंदे बनिए परा तू की जम्मुआं दी गल सना सजना जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना गंगा बगदी उतर वेनी तविया बगदी जम्मू मातानी गंगा बगदी उतर वेनी तविया बगदी जम्मू मातानी रियासिया बगदा चना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना रियासिया बगदा चना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना शादरा शरीफ दिख बाबा गुलाम शाह दिख नंगाली साहब जाइए पुंशा शादरा शरीफ दिख बाबा गुलाम शाह दिख नंगाली साहब जाइए पुंशा कटड़े वैष्णु मां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना कटड़े वैष्णु मां तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना आ सजना तुगी जम्मुआं दी गल सना शिव खोड़ी च शिवें दा वासा जम्मुआं पारे बावे आली माता
So we heard some really interesting songs, and it was so good to talk about food as well. I wouldn't like to end the program without talking about a special. It's not a food; it's an ingredient used in food. It's very famous, and it's called saffron, also called zafran in Kashmiri. So we use it in a lot of cuisines, but also in a special drink called kahwa. It gives that unique flavor. So saffron is again a very precious commodity, mainly because it's grown only in very specific regions of Kashmir, and also because you have to put in a lot of labor. Because 1 pound of dried saffron, it requires 75,000 flowers, and so you can imagine how much hard work and labor goes into it. And the stigma. So in the flower, the stigma is the only part which is used. The petals and the stamens, they have no value. So along with kahwa, used in a lot of other dishes. So I thought I will discuss this interesting fact. It's been great, Lalit, isn't it?
It has
It's
been
been
lovely.
interesting.
I'm feeling hungry already talking about so much food and such beautiful food from our region, which is really unique in many ways. We have not forgotten, I would say we didn't have time to discuss every dish, but we have so many more unique dishes like madra, which is usually pulses cooked in curd and garnished with khoya and dry fruits, which is also made in
Excellent.
sweet and sour. So it could be either a sweet dish, it could also be a sour mm, preparation.
Wow.
So I think another time in few weeks time we can do another
Yes,
food session. But for now and
yes,
today, it's time for us to sign off. Good night. Have a
yes,
nice weekend, and we'll see you next Friday, 8 p.m.
yes. Good night, all. Have a good weekend.